Subscribe now to Next Gen Motors for the latest updates on high-performance cars and exclusive automotive content. Today we take a deep dive into the new 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT, a beast that continues the legacy of American muscle with modern technology and insane power. The 2025 Challenger SRT is built to dominate the streets with its aggressive design and powerful engine lineup. Dodge has retained the classic muscular stance but added refined aerodynamics and sharper body lines, giving it a more modern yet intimidating presence. The wide-body kit enhances its stance while improved air vents and an upgraded front fascia contribute to better cooling and aerodynamics. Under the hood, the 2025 Challenger SRT offers multiple engine options catering to different levels of performance. At the heart of it lies a supercharged 6.2L Hemi V8 producing an earth-shattering 807 horsepower in the Hellcat Red Eye variant. For those craving even more power, Dodge has introduced a high-performance hybrid-assisted version delivering over 900 horsepower, ensuring it keeps up with the electric revolution while maintaining its muscle car roots. The engine is paired with an upgraded 8-speed automatic transmission offering quicker shifts and better responsiveness on the track. Inside the cabin, the Challenger SRT blends luxury with race-inspired elements. Premium leather seats with Alcantara inserts provide maximum comfort, while the driver-focused cockpit features a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster and an advanced infotainment system with a massive touchscreen. The integration of Dodge performance pages allows drivers to monitor real-time performance stats, including G-forces and launch control settings. A state-of-the-art sound system enhances the driving experience, while connectivity features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging ensure modern convenience. Dodge is also focused on handling and braking improvements. The 2025 model comes equipped with an adaptive suspension system that automatically adjusts based on driving conditions, offering superior cornering stability. The massive Brembo brakes ensure that all this power is kept in check, providing excellent stopping performance. Drivers can choose from various drive modes, including Track Sport and Custom, allowing for a personalized driving experience that suits every scenario. Safety has been a priority in the new Challenger SRT, with advanced driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking, making it more practical for daily driving. Despite being a hardcore muscle car, Dodge has ensured that it meets modern safety standards without compromising its raw performance. The 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT stands as one of the most powerful and technologically advanced muscle cars ever built. It pays homage to its legendary past while embracing the future of performance with cutting-edge technology and electrification. With its incredible power, refined handling, and aggressive styling, this Challenger is ready to take on any competition in the world of high-performance sports cars. Subscribe to Next Gen Motors for more in-depth reviews and exclusive content on the latest and greatest performance machines. Stay tuned for more updates and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.